Spanish authorities have opened an investigation into the theft of a 410-year-old pamphlet written by Galileo. It was stolen from the country's National Library 7 years ago, when staff first discovered the priceless work had been replaced by a copy. The pamphlet, entitled Sidereus Nuncius, was written in Latin and published in Venice in 1610. It's believed to be the first scientific pamphlet based on information collected using a telescope. Incredibly, they decided not to report it to their managers at Spain's National Library and investigated it themselves. The scandal therefore only came to light when a separate source told management what had happened. As a result, the Spanish Ministry of Culture and Sport has only now opened an investigation into the theft of the work which was considered to be the star attraction of the collection.